Here is a wonderful 2017 Ford F-150. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, seat memory, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.